Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Welcome, combatants. In this video, I will explain how to play Raiden in Mortal Kombat 1. Raiden is a powerful and versatile fighter, excelling at both keeping opponents at a distance and closing in for devastating attacks. We will cover his essential moves, effective combos, and advanced strategies to help you master the Thunder God. By the end, you will have a solid foundation to electrify your opponents and dominate the arena with Raiden's unique abilities. Let's dive into his electrifying toolkit. Raiden's arsenal includes several key special moves. Electric Fly is fantastic for quickly closing gaps and extending combos, often leading to significant damage. Sparkport allows for instant repositioning, making it excellent for mix-ups or escaping corner pressure. Storm Cell provides a reliable projectile for zoning, keeping opponents at bay. Try combining a basic 3-hit string, such as his 1-2-1, into an amplified Electric Fly for a solid, repeatable combo. Mastering these will elevate your gameplay. To truly master Raiden, you need to delve into advanced tactics. Utilize his overhead and low attacks to create 50-50 mix-ups, forcing your opponent to guess. Always confirm your hits into your most damaging combos. This maximizes every opportunity. His electric current attacks are excellent for controlling the mid-range, creating a wall of lightning that discourages aggressive approaches. Pay attention to frame data to ensure your attacks are safe on block and to identify punishable moves from your opponent. This strategic depth will make you a formidable force. Cameo fighters are crucial for enhancing Raiden's capabilities. Choose a cameo that either extends his combos, like Sarina, or provides additional zoning tools, such as Sirax. Integrate Cameo assists into your combo routes to maximize damage and create new offensive opportunities. Remember to activate Raiden's Fatal Blow when your health drops below 30%. It can turn the tide of a match. Finally, practice his iconic fatalities to finish your opponents with a spectacular display of thunder and lightning. Good luck, combatants!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.